Please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel.
Which set is correct for an electron in 4f orbital? Option A, n is equal to 3, L is equal to 2, m is equal to minus 2 and s is equal to plus half. Option B, n is equal to 4, L is equal to 4, m is equal to minus 4 and s is equal to minus half. Option C, n is equal to 4, L is equal to 3, m is equal to plus 1 and s is equal to plus half. And option D, n is equal to 4, L is equal to 3, m is equal to plus 4 and s is equal to plus half. The correct answer is option C, that is n is equal to 4, L is equal to 3, m is equal to plus 1 and s is equal to plus half. In 4f orbital, n is equal to 4, L is equal to 3, as L is equal to n minus 1 and m is equal to minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3, as value of m is minus L to plus L including 0. Here option A is incorrect, as n is never can be 3. In 4f orbital, n is equal to 4. Option B is incorrect, as L is never can be 4. Here option C is correct. N is equal to 4, L is equal to 3, m is equal to plus 1 and s is equal to plus half. Here option D is incorrect and m is never can be plus 4. So correct answer is option C. Thank you for watching.